Traders, I hope you're having a great day wherever you are in the world. Counter trend trading, there's definitely a time when counter trend trading is appropriate. Well, I mean, any time really, but I'm talking Mondays and Fridays. Let me explain why. Generally, during the week, we see markets trend. But what will happen on Monday and Friday is, let's say we're in a bearish trend here. Okay, throw in some candle wicks, and we're talking Monday, Friday, or Friday into Monday. So there's a bearish candle Friday, and the end of the week, right? So we're looking at not just a daily candle, we're also looking at the weekly candle. Okay, open, high, low, close. So on Friday, you're going to usually see a move to the low, and then it pulls back. Market opens on Monday, and then we get the open, the high, right, the low, and the close. So these two wicks give us, or generally, in a lot of cases, give us an opportunity to counter trend trade the market. All right, so it's trending down, it wicks up Monday and Friday, and then we get an opportunity to get involved. Now, I've developed these indicators specifically for counter trend and trend reversals. I've done all the tutorials on them. This is not going to be a tutorial, but what I want to do is show you what's possible. In fact, this gold trade I sent into my VIP group, we traded long, we bought, and it did really well, and then it reached resistance. See how we've got the daily and the monthly here? So when it trades into a big level, like a previous higher time frame pivot point, and we see this red zone, we look for the sell. Okay, so the sell signal kicks in, backed up by this. And more importantly, when you see the combination of, well, in this case, a monthly, a daily, it could be a weekly, right? Higher time frame, plus, see these red lines and these dots? This is bearish divergence. So you can see the divergence starting to kick in here. But more importantly, this sell signal gives us the break of market structure. So we get involved. Let's have a look at a few of these. Okay, that's gold. Let's check out some of these other currency pairs. We've got a mix of crypto, we've got indices and stocks, we've got forex. Okay, I just clicked on Bitcoin. Here's an example of what we're looking for. Okay, we bring this indicator on here. This is the high-low. So what I've got here is a 15-minute chart above, and under here, this is a 4-hour chart. So the signal, our point of interest, is here. All right, that's where the signal fired on the 4-hour chart. So I'm not so invested in this one at the moment. This one's on the 15-minute. We want the higher time frame. Okay, so that kicked in here. But the main thing we're looking for is the combination of all this stuff. Okay, we need a previous high or low. We want to see the dot and the divergence. The dot is generally a run on liquidity, and then the sell signal kicks in. This is great for trading volatile pairs. Let's try something else. I don't know, XRP. Let's click on that. Okay, we'll just go back and have a look at this one here. We've got one setting up here. I don't want to show that to you because that's going to be exclusive for my VIP group. In fact, you can join VIP for free 2 weeks and gain immediate access to the indicators and take it all for a test run. Alright, so we've got this point of interest off this one, and again we want to have a look and see. This is a 15-minute chart above. Underneath this one here is 4-hour. We want to make sure that we have, there's actually an orange line and a yellow line. The orange line that you see behind here is a weekly. So we've got a weekly, a yellow is daily. We've got a dot here, we've got divergence, and we get the sell signal. It's time to sell. Look at the outcome. Okay, tight stop. Sell on the pullback if you like. Stop. You can go with the orange line where the sell signal is. Probably above that would be better. To our target, but then, you know, you can trail it as well until it trades back into this cloud that you see here. So that gave you 3R. Let's try the NAS. That's fairly popular. All right, there's a green signal under here. Let's see what that looks like. Let's go over to it. All right, that's our point of interest. It's on a 15-minute time frame. I actually prefer the 10-minute time frame. The signal will come in a bit earlier, but anyway, let's have a look at that. Why would we take this trade? Guys, you can gain access. The link is on my website. You can see the URL in the video, but all right, now see what this is trading down and trading through. See all these lines here. So the divergence is not a really strong divergence. It kind of happened back here, but yeah, we've got a dot. We've got this is a weekly. That's a monthly. So higher time frame. It's smashed through it. It's hit the liquidity. So this was most likely a counter trend, or it could be a trend reversal. Trend reversal on the higher time frame on the 4H or whatever. But this will give you a pullback generally. But most important is you're trading into resistance, support or resistance. There's the buy signal, and we jump in. You know, we only want 2R out of these, something like that. What have we got? 2.5R. Yeah, you only want to go for 2R by default. And you can always close percent partials at 1R or something like that. What else? Let's try the euro dollar. All right, let's have a look. All right, that's the signal here. Look at that. All right, look, it's trading into the orange line. Look at the divergence there, here. Okay, we take it. Yeah, I mean, there's a nice outcome. Look at that. Kept going. So this is our scalping strategy. Scalping / day trading, mainly counter trend, but it'll pick up reversals as well, of course. Yeah, we had a really nice counter trend gold trade last night in VIP. Just quickly. Okay, here's VIP. Here's what you get. You get trade signals that are copy friendly. You can use TS Copier to copy them this week so far as of Thursday. Yeah, one of these was a really nice gold trade. So yeah, I mean, guys, gain access. There's mentorship videos that go in. This is a mentorship video. I'm doing them every day. So it's incredible value. So with that, take it for a free trial for 2 weeks and find out how this could be a game changer for you. With that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.